Hey guys, it is Little Kelly for EVA/Forever, and today we are going to be making this adorable little doll-sized squishy for your doll that is so easy to make, and you need so little supplies. It is a we'll say three ingredients. Well, not necessarily ingredients, but you need 3 tools to make this craft, so let's get started. For this project, you will be needing plastic of some sort. I'm using plastic from a bag, some slime, putty, or clay of some sort, and some type of string. For the first one I made, I used Model Magic clay, but for this one, I'm going to use slime. First, you're going to want to take your plastic and sit your slime right inside the middle and squeeze the bag around it till you get a clear look. Just like that. Twist the end of the bag around your slime or dough of any sort. Then cut off the excess, leaving some extra. I'm going to cut about right here so I can have enough extra so when I tie on the string, it will not slide off. Tie on your string, then trim off the excess string. And that's all. And to see more videos like this on how to make this cute, adorable little peep or duck, just like and subscribe. And we will immediately make this on our next video and show you how to make it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.